Dear students, now we will discuss the adaptation of cell pollination. That is called contrivances of or devices to ensure cell pollination. The adaptation, the flower must be homogamy, homogamous flower. Homogamy means mature of anther and pistil at same time. Mature of anther and pistil at same time. Same time रे androsium and pistil mature. That condition is called homogamy that ensure the cell pollination. Okay. Then another conditions adaptation is cleistogamy. Cleistogamy means flower never opens. Never opens. Born thiba flower. Born thiba flower रे जदि transfer of pollen grain, then that must be transferred to the same flower, the stigma of the same flower. That ensure the cell pollination. तो क्लेस्टोगैमस फ्लावर रे क्लेस्टोगैमस फ्लावर अर्थ जो फ्लावर नेवर ओपन so never open there is no chance to release of pollen grain to outside. So cell pollination is must. So cleistogamy, this adaptation of for the cell pollination or ensure the cell pollination, the cleistogamous flower is must. Then another is bisexual. Bisexual flowers ensure the cell pollination. It must be it can also do the cross pollination bisexual, but cell pollination is also occurred by bisexual. So unisexual flowers are not ensure the cell pollination. So the cell pollination carrying flower must be bisexual. So these are the adaptation of cell pollination that ensure the cell pollination. Very very important. Homogamy. Homogamy means mature of anther and pistil at the same time, and very very important cleistogamy. And cleistogamy means the homogamy example is mirabilis, and cleistogamy flower example is comedina. That flower never opens. That condition is called cleistogamy that ensure the cell pollination. Bisexual flowers that ensure the cell pollination. So these are the adaptation of cell pollination. Then come to the adaptation of cross pollination or contrivances of cross pollination that ensure to the cross pollination. First, unisexuality. First adaptation, unisexuality, and that is technically termed as dicleaning. Dicleaning. Unisexuality or dicleaning. That means unisexuality means the flower has either anther, androsium or gynosium. If androsium is present, that is called unisexuality. If pistil is present, anther is absent, that is also called unisexual. So unisexual flowers must do the cross pollination. By the cross pollination, the pollen grain transfer to the another plant. So unisexual flower cell pollination chance न थाए that adapted to the cross pollination by the help of some agencies, either biotic agencies or abiotic agencies. Next adaptation is dichogamy. Very very important. Very very important. Dichogamy. Dichogamy means anthers and pistils are mature at different time. आम पढ़ी सेल पॉलिनेशन अडाप्टेशन homogamy anthers and pistils are mature at the same time. That is the opposite. Dichogamy means mature of anther and pistil at different time. आंथर मैच्योर लोग पिस्टिल मैच्योर है न थाई पारे पिस्टिल मैच्योर होला को आंथर मध्य मैच्योर है न थाई पारे दैट अडैप्टेबल कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड डाइकोगामी इट मे बी प्रोटैंडिन very important protandry when anther matures fast that is called protandry that flower is called protandrous flower example is sunflower. Protandry means the technical term protandry when anthers matures fast than pistil, then self pollination is not possible. There must be cross pollination. Okay. Another dichogamy point, protogyny, when pistil matures fast than anther. That condition is called protogyny and that flower is called in which flower pistil mature fast than anther. That flower is called protogynous flower. Example is mirabilis. So in protandrous flower or protogynous flower the cross pollination is must by transferring pollen grain by through some agencies. Then very important pile parikha paduchi what is the protandry condition what is the protogyny condition. Protandry condition means anther matures fast than pistil. Protogyny condition means pistil matures fast than anther. Then next adaptation is prepotency. Prepotency means manekar stigma, this is stigma person आंथर अलगा प्लांट पोलेन ग्रेन आसिक पड़ो सेम प्लांट पोलेन ग्रेन मत पड़ो किंतु the other pollen grain of other plants fertilize, it is capable to fertilize fast than the own pollen grain. से फूलर पोलेन ग्रेन फर्टिलाइजेशन हो पारे कि अन्य फूलर पोलेन ग्रेन आसे अन्य प्लांट रो पोलेन ग्रेन आसे कि एटी फर्टिलाइजेशन फास्ट हो जाए जदि ये फेलर हुए जदि क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन है कि आसिला नाही देन सेम प्लांट रो पोलेन ग्रेन फर्टिलाइजेशन करे. सो फर्टिलाइजेशन इज मस्ट but other pollen grain is fertilized fast. If it fails, then own pollen grain fertilized. That condition, that adaptation is prepotency. Okay, prepotency example apple plant prepotency. साधारणतः apple plant रो gynosium रे pistil रे अन्य apple गछर pollen grain आसिक पड़े सेम apple गछर pollen grain पड़ी परिबो ना नहीं पड़िबो किंतु जर्मिनेशन अन्य प्लांट रो जो आसी अन्य प्लांट रो पोलेन ग्रेन जर्मिनेट फास्ट एंड फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस. जदि अन्य प्लांट रो पोलेन ग्रेन रो फर्टिलाइजेशन फेल्स हुए ताले ओन पोलेन ग्रेन जो अछि सीए फर्टिलाइजेशन करे. दैट अडैप्टिव कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड प्रीपोटेंसी. सो फर्टिलाइजेशन श्योर फर्टिलाइजेशन निश्चित हो जदि अन्य पोलेन ग्रेन फर्टिलाइजेशन फास्ट हबो एक्चुअली फास्ट हुए जदि फेल्स हुए ताले ओन पोलेन ग्रेन फर्टिलाइज करियो. ओके दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रीपोटेंसी. एग्जांपल इज एप्पल. देन नेक्स्ट इज हेटेरोस्टाइल. हेटेरोस्टाइल मीन्स डिफरेंट लेंथ्स ऑफ स्टाइल्स. हमें जानसे दीटा कंडीशन रे हमें देखिबा data condition. एग्जांपल प्राइम रोज फ्लावर देखा जाए दीटा कंडीशन केतोडे फुलर स्टाइल दिस इज स्टाइल ओवर इज स्टाइल स्टिग्मा दिस इज लॉन्ग स्टाइल स्टामेंट्स गुड़िक छोट सो एटू जो पोलेन ग्रेन बाहर ये यही पाख को रिसीव करें कि सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन हेनी देन दैट इंश्योर टू क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन दैट इज कॉल्ड पीन this condition. Another condition is thrum. Here this style is short but stamen or filament long. This condition is thrum condition. So different length of styles that ensure the cross pollination than self pollination. Next another horkogamy. Then another adaptation is horkogamy. Horkogamy means horkogamy means self pollination is not occur due to physical barrier. Physical barrier means self pollination hebar chance nahi due to presence of a physical barrier, then that ensure to cross pollination. Cross pollination must. That condition is called horkogamy. Horkogamy means some physical barrier is present. That's why one pollen grain does not come to the stigma of one flower. Then there must be a cross pollination is done. So example is calotropis. Calotropis जो पोलिनियम रे जो पोलन ग्रेन थाए बेलून लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स calotropis रे पोलन ग्रेन इस पोलन ग्रेन थाए that is called पोलिनियम. Stigmatic surface, this is stigmatic surface style. A stigmatic surface रे a pollen grain on same plant रो pollen grain आसे कि stigmatic surface रे पड़ी परे ने कहीं कि this is a barrier. जेतबले ये dehiscence हुए ताले they release to outside and carried by agency some agency and cross pollination takes place. And some rare cases pollen grain comes to the stigma. So in horkogamy there is a physical barrier between pollen grain and stigma. That's why self pollination does not take place, but that ensure to cross pollination. Example is calotropis. So all of the contrivances or ensure to self pollination or cross pollination, these are the adaptive characters, adaptation of cross pollination or self pollination, very very important play. Dichogamy important, homogamy important, heterostyle important, and horkogamy important, very very important. Diclini word important. short question आसीबो तो ए भितरु short question मध्ये आसी पारे प्रोटांड्री short question आसीबो एक मार्किया क्वेश्चन प्रोटोगाइनी क्लेस्टोगामी आसीबो देन फ्लावर नेवर ओपन्स क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन पय अडप्टिव मध्ये हमें चाजमोगामी क्लेस्टोगामी मींस फ्लावर नेवर ओपन्स चाजमोगामी मींस ओपन फ्लावर. Open flower रे cross pollination हेबो either cross pollination taken place or self pollination also taken place, but in cleistogamous flower only self pollination is taken place. मन रहला तो डिफरेंस आसी पारे क्लेस्टोगामी and chasmogamy. Differences. Flowers never opens, flower opens always. That answer to self pollination. Clistogamous flower रे always self pollination must हबो, किंतु chasmogamous flowers रे may be self or cross pollination. Then next point, flowers are often prominent. Flowers are often prominent, but in chasmogam flowers not much prominent. In clistogamous flower, the anthers and stigma of the gynoeciums are seen, are open. Sorry, flower never open, closed. In clistogamous flower, the anthers and pistils are never seen to outside. But in chasmogamous flowers, the anthers and stigma, pistils are open. Flower is open, that's seen to the outside. The difference between clistogamy and the chasmogamy. Chasmogamy flower rate, the chasmogamy flower means the flower always open flower. So open flower रे self pollination हेबार possibility थाए एवं cross pollination हेबार मध्य possibility थाए. कि clistogamous flower रे that ensure to self pollination only. केवल self pollination हेबो, cross pollination होई परियो. काहे के परियो ने? ना जेहेतु बंद थाए flower भितरे anther stigma अन्य पोलन ग्रेन आसिक पड़िबार पॉसिबिलिटी न थाए. तो दैट आंसर टू द सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन. ओके, देन वी विल डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्लास द डिफरेंट एंटोमोफिलस फ्लावर, द कंडीशंस ऑफ एंटोमोफिलस फ्लावर और एनेमोफिलस फ्लावर, हाइड्रोफिलस फ्लावर वी विल डिस्कस. देन वी विल गो टू द फर्टिलाइजेशन चैप्टर. जदि वीडियो केमती लगुच मते सजेशन देबे, लाइक करिवे, शेयर करिवे एंड सब्सक्रिप्शन करिवे. ऑलवेज वेयर मास्क, कीप सोशल डिस्टेंस and wash your hand frequently for 20 seconds to avoid critical conditions of Corona-19. Thank you.